Jamie sat on his bed with his laptop balanced on his knees. He had spent hours on YouTube searching for a way to make money online. Finally, he stumbled upon a video promising him the opportunity to earn on YouTube without ever showing his face. He quickly began creating a new YouTube account. With his channel name and bio selected finally, it was time for Jamie's inaugural video. He took a deep breath and hit the upload button, feeling a mix of excitement and nervous anticipation. Every morning, as soon as he woke up, Jamie rushed to his laptop to check his YouTube analytics. But the views remained stagnant. There were no new changes, no skyrocketing numbers. When it comes to making money online, particularly on YouTube, it's important to understand the reality behind the hype. Don't be fooled into thinking that making money on YouTube is easy. Some YouTubers may make it seem effortless, and they tell all you need to do is create a channel, reuse others' content, and use AI to create videos with minimal effort. However, these methods are not sustainable for success. YouTube is like a newspaper where interesting stories attract more readers. Similarly, on YouTube, having a unique concept can lead to rapid growth. Nevertheless, not all of these channels are lying in their channel statistics. Here's what that many of you don't get correctly. Many of these new channels, which got success over a small time period, has got experience, knowledge, skills, and money that the average person just doesn't have. Plus, a lot of those new channels are not the creators' first attempts. They have already spent years making videos for their other channels and already figured the path to success. But don't get discouraged just yet. There's still hope for you to make it big on YouTube. And the secret to success is simply known as dedication. You got to be willing to put in the work, even if you don't see results right away. Most people don't have what it takes to stick it out, but if you're one of the few who do, you can research, create killer scripts, and prioritize quality over quantity. Money can help, but it won't guarantee success in the long run.